In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate your time in Google Calendar and export it to Excel using the TimeNavi tool. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your Google account information, including your password. Once you're signed in, navigate to your Google Sheets dashboard. Here, you'll find the Extensions option in the menu at the top. Click on it and then select Add-ons. From the drop-down, click on Get Add-ons to proceed. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new window or tab. Now, in the search bar, type in Export Calendar Events to Spreadsheet and press Enter. When the search results appear, select the appropriate add-on by clicking on it and then hit the Install button. This will prompt you to choose your Google Calendar account so that the tool can access your events. Make sure you select the correct account and then click on Continue. Google will ask for a few permissions before you can proceed, so go ahead and click Allow. Once the add-on is installed, you'll see a confirmation message. Click on Done to close this message. Now head back to Google Sheets, click on Extensions again, and this time you should see the added extension in the list. Bring up the sidebar by clicking Open Sidebar from the Add-ons options. A note might pop up indicating that it can successfully export 20 events, but you may need to upgrade to the premium plan to export everything. If this suits your needs, go ahead and confirm by clicking OK. Now, you're ready to export your calendar events. Click on File in the upper menu and choose Download. Under the Download options, select Microsoft Excel, XLSX. This will start the download process, saving your calendar events as an Excel file. You can now open the downloaded file in Excel and start calculating your time spent based on your Google Calendar events. This is a great way to organize and track your tasks or personal activities efficiently. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to easily export your Google Calendar events to Excel using the TimeNavi tool. This can be a useful addition to your workflow, allowing you to manage your schedule and analyze your time commitments better. If you encounter any issues or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below or consult the TimeNavi support for more detailed assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.